torsion, or other defects. Parts that require coating are painted with anchor chain gloss black paint. Shackles, bolts, locking pins, and swivels are examined carefully and put in order. The turnbuckles and chain stoppers require frequent attention to keep them clean, free from rust, and well lubricated with a graphite grease. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.